What's up, everybody? It's your girl Tyra, and I'm coming back at you again with another video. As you guys can see, my hair looks crazy. I have so much product buildup because I did a slick bun last week. So today I am going to show you a lazy naturals guide to poppin' wash and goes featuring Jessicurl products, and I'm so excited about this video. So let's get to it.
That's right. Hey, Tyra, the creative. That's right. The creative.
So I'm gonna start by making sure that my hair is fully drenched and start washing out that excess product. I'm gonna go directly in with Jessicurl's cleansing cream. It's a mild and moisturizing shampoo alternative, and these products that I'll be using today are all vegan and they smell so good, y'all. Once I make sure that cleansing cream is all washed into my scalp, I'm going to rinse it out to get all of the impurities from my scalp area. And I actually really like this cream because my curls were automatically feeling soft. And yes, you guys, I hopped straight in the shower from the previous clip. I did not detangle or anything. Remember, I'm lazy. Next, I'm gonna go in with a very cheap conditioner, y'all. This is like a Daily Defense macadamia oil conditioner that I just got at a random store, and I'm literally gonna use like almost the entire bottle. So I go in with a cheap conditioner first so I can detangle my hair. This is my detangling process, and it literally takes me about 45 minutes, but I love detangling this way because I get minimal shedding and minimal tearing of my hair. So I'm just going to saturate my hair with this product, which smells so good, by the way. If you've ever come across this product, it is really good. I do recommend it. And I'm going to make sure that I am massaging my scalp, and I'm going to part my hair into 4 parts.
Do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar.
As soon as I get my hair into 4 parts, I'm going to immediately go back to the starting section and start to detangle. Now, I have 4C hair and it is super duper kinky, so I'm going to add a little more conditioner to this first section, and I'm going to start to detangle. I'm going to use my Denman brush, the actual Denman brush. I've tried dupes and they do not work as well. My hair sheds an awful lot and they're just bad. A Denman brush is great for detangling your hair or styling your hair if you like when your hair is in a shrunken state. And since I'm doing a wash and go, I love that because it defines my curls really well, way better than a plastic comb. I literally don't use a plastic comb on my hair at all. And just in case you guys thought I was lying about the shedding, this is the entire bit of shedded hair that I got from that section. It's time to get my ends clipped, y'all. That's why it's a little difficult. I'm definitely going to get that done as soon as I find a good natural hairstylist in the LA area. So if you know any, hit your girl up. After I detangle each section, I just put it in a 2-strand twist and wrap it back up on top of my head to let the conditioner moisturize my scalp. Now I'm going in with my favorite product from this line, the Deep Conditioning Treatment. It is an intense pampering for dry hair. This product left my hair feeling super duper moisturized, and I was really shocked by the results. So I'm going to use kind of a lot because this is a deep conditioner. I like to make sure that my strands are completely coated. And I'm going to start at the root and I'm going to work my way to the ends of my hair. So the collection that I got from Jessicurl is the Confidence collection, and it came with all of those products that you do see in the back. This particular collection is for tighter curl patterns. So if you go to the website, you'll see that all of her collections are separated by wavy hair, curly hair, or kinky hair. And they also come in different scents. I chose the Island Fantasy. It smells literally like an island, like tropical, like coconut and, you know, fruity smells. So I'm distributing the deep conditioner all through my strands. I'm going to start at the root and make my way to the tip. And as soon as I finish making sure that all of my strands are coated, I'm going to put my hair in another 2-strand twist and move on to the next section. Once your girl is done applying all of the deep conditioner, I'm going to let it sit on my scalp for 30 to 45 minutes. Your girl is back, and while I was waiting for my hair, I did a mask. I used the Shea Moisture Black African Soap mask, and I'm going to wash that off and tone my skin with my Thayer's Witch Hazel in the scent Rose Petals. After washing out all of the deep conditioner, I'm going to go in with the Jessicurl Touche Extra Moisturizing Conditioner. This is a daily conditioner for dry, thirsty curls, which my hair definitely is. So I'm just going to make sure that that is worked all the way into the back section of my hair before I move on to my Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is the Alma formula. It's mango and lime. It smells really good. It's really thick, and I love that. And it just seeps into my hair follicles so well. So this is the second step to my wash and go routine. Right after the conditioner, I am going to apply my oil. I'm using the lock method, y'all. Yes, still going strong with the lock method. I'm going to make sure that the black castor oil is distributed with my Denman brush, and I'm going to go right in behind that with my Confident Coils styling solution. I'm just going to use a little bit of this. It's going to keep my curls soft. I hate those crunchy curls. Y'all know what I'm talking about, that the Eco Styler gel will give you if you use too much. Yes, come through curls. Look at those curls starting to pop through, y'all. I love this product line. Like, my curls are really popping. So next I'm going to go in with the Spiralicious Styling Gel. This will provide an all-day hold and frizz control for all hair types. Now, it's going to provide a softer hold than, you know, an Eco Styler or, you know, Gorilla Snot or whatever it is you normally use. My curls are popping. Once I put on all 3 of these products, they just started to become very defined, and I cannot wait to see the final product. So as you can see, I already have like a white cast over my hair, but that's okay. Once it dries, it definitely does go away. But I'm going to just separate my curls just to make sure that they're as defined as possible. So I'm almost done with my hair, and once again I'm going to go through the steps with you guys so you can see my lock method. I just went in with the extra moisturizing Touche conditioner. Next is going to be the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and I'm going to make sure that that is evenly distributed. Right after that, I'm going to go in with the Confident Coils Styling Solution, followed by the Spiralicious Styling Gel. I've also noticed that since I have 4C hair, it is imperative that I make sure that I am coating every single strand, because if I don't, I'll have like an afro in one section and then really defined curls in the next, and then frizz all over. So if you're like me, then your wash and goes take 45 minutes to an hour just to make sure that you're coating your hair properly. But this product line really did wonders on my hair, and I will say this, the styling solution made my hair feel like it was stripped, so I was a little worried, but once I went back in with the Spiralicious styling gel, my hair felt re-moisturized. And after I finished my hair and it began to dry, it was also moisturized. So if you guys do use this product line, then just keep that in mind. My hair wasn't dry, it was very moisturized, but the way that the product reacted with my hair type made it seem like, you know, it wasn't moisturized or it was stripping my hair. Your girl has finally finished her wash and go. Now, these clips that you guys see are very important. So if you don't have no clips when you do your wash and goes and your hair is about the same length as mine, then definitely get some of those. But now I'm just going to fling my hair from side to side, scrunch it up, do all of that stuff to add volume and get rid of the excess water before I get out of the shower. After getting out of the shower, I'm going to use this soft towel. Now, this does cause a little bit of frizz, but your girl don't really care that much because my hair is always frizzy. So I'm just going to scrunch my hair with the towel to get rid of even more water and some of the white residue that was left. And while my hair dries, I'm going to use my handy dandy clamps to make sure that my part stays in the same place and that my hair lays to the side that I want it to lay on. And that's the finished style, you guys. Now all my hair has to do is dry. I don't diffuse it, I let it air dry, but do you, boo? So I'm glad you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions for me, make sure you leave them down in the comments below because I will definitely be answering them. Check out Jessicurl. I will leave that in the description box as well. And I will see y'all in the next video.
I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery.